Generative AI applications in various domains. Generative AI is transforming how we create, experience, and interact with various forms of digital content. This presentation explores the diverse applications of generative AI in art, gaming, healthcare, finance, and more. Art and creativity. Creating music. Generative AI-powered music tools like Music and Ava are revolutionizing music composition by creating original pieces in seconds. They use machine learning algorithms to analyze existing compositions and generate new music that matches the style, mood, and structure. Designing paintings and other artistic content. AI art tools like Deep Dream and Prisma enable artists and novices to create personalized and stunning visuals with just a few clicks. They use deep learning models to optimize color, texture, and other visual characteristics based on the input image. Enhancing and transforming visual and audio experiences. Generative AI-powered systems like StyleGAN and GPT-3 are making virtual and augmented reality experiences more realistic, immersive, and interactive. They generate dynamic and context-aware graphics, sounds, and narratives based on the user's inputs and preferences. Gaming and entertainment. Generating realistic virtual characters and worlds. Generative AI-driven game engines and design tools like Unreal Engine and Houdini enable game developers to create lifelike 3D characters, landscapes, and environments that respond to the player's actions and choices. They use machine learning algorithms to learn from the player's behaviors and generate personalized content accordingly. Enhancing game mechanics and player experiences. Generative AI-powered game analytics and recommendation systems like Game Refinery and Playgo improve the retention and engagement of players by predicting their preferences and suggesting personalized features. They use deep learning models to analyze vast amounts of player data and generate actionable insights and feedback. Healthcare and medicine. Enhancing medical imaging and diagnostics. Generative AI-powered medical imaging and diagnostic tools like VoxelFlow and Deep Chest help medical professionals diagnose diseases and injuries more accurately and efficiently. They use machine learning algorithms to fuse multiple images, detect anomalies, and generate high-resolution reconstructions and visualizations. Generating personalized treatment plans and drug discovery. Generative AI-powered platforms like Benevolent AI and Atomwise aid in drug discovery by synthesizing novel molecules, predicting their properties, and testing their efficacy. They use deep learning models to learn from chemical and biological data and generate hypotheses and simulations. Finance and business. Predictive modeling and forecasting. Generative AI-powered platforms like Kensho and ISD help financial analysts and traders predict market trends, risk factors, and investment opportunities more accurately and effectively. They use machine learning algorithms to analyze large datasets, identify patterns and correlations, and generate actionable insights and reports. Generating financial reports and market analysis. Generative AI-powered platforms like Aria and Generative AI automate the creation of financial and market reports by analyzing structured and unstructured data, generating natural language narratives, and summarizing key insights. They use natural language generation algorithms to mimic human writing and decision-making. AI in insurance, underwriting and risk assessment. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to assess risk and determine policy premiums, leading to more accurate underwriting and pricing decisions. Claims processing. AI-powered claims processing systems can expedite the claims process, detect fraud, and improve customer satisfaction by providing faster and more accurate outcomes. Customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can provide instant and personalized customer service, improving communication and reducing wait times. AI in retail. Personalized recommendations. AI algorithms can analyze customer data to offer personalized recommendations and improve the customer experience. Inventory management. AI can help retailers optimize their inventory levels, reducing waste and improving profitability. Visual search. AI-powered visual search can help customers find products that match their preferences, making shopping more efficient and enjoyable. AI in hospitality. Personalized experiences. AI can analyze guest data to offer personalized experiences, from customized room preferences to targeted promotions. Operational efficiency. AI can optimize hotel operations, from managing energy usage to automating check-in and check-out processes. Enhanced guest safety. AI-powered security systems can monitor guests and staff to ensure safety, as well as detect and prevent potential threats. AI in tech. Automated customer support. AI-powered chatbots can handle routine customer inquiries, freeing up customer service agents to handle more complex issues. Optimized workflows. AI can analyze work processes and suggest improvements, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Enhanced productivity. AI can automate repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. Applications in BFSI. Financial risk assessment. Generative AI can analyze vast amounts of financial data to assess risk and predict market trends, helping financial institutions make informed decisions. Fraud detection. Generative AI algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies in financial transactions, enabling early detection and prevention of fraudulent activities. Customer support. Generative AI-powered chatbots can provide personalized assistance to customers, answering queries and resolving issues in real time. The future of generative AI. As generative AI continues to advance, we can expect exciting developments in various fields. From personalized content creation to innovative design solutions, generative AI has the potential to revolutionize industries such as advertising, fashion, architecture, and more. With the ability to generate realistic images, videos, and even entire virtual worlds, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.